To connect Webull Pay to TradingView, you need to have an account on both platforms first. Create a TradingView account if you don't already have one. Then create a Webull account and download the Webull app. Open the Webull app and navigate to the Profile section. Then click on Account and Security, and find the API Management section. Generate a new API key and save the client ID and client secret in a secure location. Log into your TradingView account and navigate to the Paper Trading or Broker Connection section. Click on Add Broker and search for Webull. Then select Webull as your broker. Enter the client ID and client secret you saved earlier and click Connect. Wait for the connection to be established and then you can start using TradingView to trade with your Webull account. Remember to keep your API keys secure to avoid any potential security risks. By following these steps, you can easily connect Webull Pay to TradingView and start trading with ease.